You hide it well. The tears that never fall. The questions you never ask. The weight on your chest that no one sees. And you think, if they knew what I'm going through, they'd understand. But you forget. There's one who already knows, and he never leaves. Allah says,
قال كلا إن معي.
Moses reassured them, absolutely not. My Lord is certainly with me, he will guide me. When Prophet Musa stood trapped, the sea in front, Pharaoh's army behind. People around him panicked. They said, we're finished. But Musa said, no. My Lord is with me, he will guide me. He didn't see the sea split yet. He didn't know how it would happen. But he was certain about who was with him. Sometimes your life feels like that. Trapped between problems and no way out. But Allah already knows the path you can't see. The pain you carry quietly. It's not hidden from him. The late night sighs, the whispers of your heart. He hears them before you speak. Your job. Trust him before you see the sea open. Because guidance comes when faith stands firm. Comment, my Lord is with me. Save this for the days you feel stuck. Follow for more Quranic reminders that speak to your heart.